guys, today's video is going to be so much fun because I'm here in Colorado and my friend needs some help to carry her stuff so we are going to travel. We are going to travel to Utah, and then we're going to be going to Yuma, Arizona. So that's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you guys can watch. I'm going to make a videos on the way, how it's going to be this trip, and I hope you guys can enjoy. Okay. Look that the truck is full and we pack it so well. And let's go take a look outside. It's look like very nice. It's just raining a lot. But look how pretty and green. The grass is so green in Colorado. But we just need more sunshine. And we are ready to go. We just got here last night, 10:30, and it's such a privilege to be here. Look how pretty. Look at the sky, there's not a single cloud, and the sun is bright. It's a really beautiful day in Utah. So pretty. They said they are going to open in 1 week, so we have to come back here. See, my friend had to bring me here again.